Now, in that second type, case 2. Second type is which type? That is to construct a triangle given its base angle and the difference of other two sides. In that first case over. That is AB greater than AC. That is over. Now AB less than AC. That means if you get that ABC, this is our triangle ABC, and this is BC, then this is AC. This is A, no? So AB minus AC means AB is the longest side or AB is greater than AC. Here AB is less than AC. That means you have to separate AC minus AB. So we want to draw that triangle. How can we do this? Slight difference in the procedure. As previous two cases, same type of question, but here same type of drawing, but here some slight differences there. So let's just start this. First step, want to draw the same procedure as in the previous question. We have to draw the base. So base here it is 6 BC 6 centimeter. So I'm drawing here BC as 6 centimeter. So I get here BC 6 centimeter. After that, we have to construct the same procedure. Want to construct the angle 60 degree in the place of where B. So want to place the protractor in such a way. Baseline here and this. Okay. After that, this is the direction though. No, we have this baseline. So from here 0 want to go up and want to get the 60 degrees. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60 degrees. So this is a 60 degrees position. And remove this protractor and want to get that same thing. When you are doing time, previously extend up, no? Here you extend down also. Both way you have to extend it. So keep the scale such a way like this and want to draw. When you are drawing time itself, please extend downwards also. Little bit, okay? Up also want to get, okay? Then, so this is our ray. Above here, we can take this as here x as before bx. But we have to extend it downwards also. And here you want to get this particular point D. No, first BC, then after that x, bx. After that you want to identify a point D, no? D is the third distance. The third distance here it is 2 centimeter. You don't take that in the upward direction. You have to take downward. That means 2 centimeter you can take in the compass. Or scale you can do, no problem. And 2 centimeter line. That's also 2 centimeter. Then yeah. This is our D. This point is D. Then what is the next step? After getting the D, you have to join CD. The same procedure. Okay. Only the slight difference here. We extend downwards. Okay. Below. After that, you have to do the same thing. Okay. Now we get a CD. Then after that, what is the next step? You have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Similarly, as in the question before, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So CD is our line, so up and down, here and here. So perpendicular bisector. So I'm taking the more than half distance. And here one arc, here another arc. One more time. Okay. And after that, what is the next step? Just want to, previously, after getting these 2 points, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector and extend that perpendicular bisector to meet our ray PX. Okay. So, similarly, here also want to draw and extend it to meet that. Okay, BX. So, look here. It reach here. Where the point, the perpendicular bisector meet in that ray BX, that point is our A. Third vertex A. Then what is the next step? Want to join this AC. So our triangle ABC is ready. This is our triangle ABC. You can just check whether the correct thing, that is find out that AC minus AB. Subtract and find out, okay. The length AC minus AB. Find out the length AC and find out the length AB and subtract, you should get 2 centimeter. Surely you are going to get this, and just shade it as we have done before to get to discriminate that triangle. So that is the end of this construction. So these are the two type of construction. In the second type itself, 2 cases are there. This is that 2 cases. After that, one more question is there, or one more type of question is in their textbook. That is a construction of triangle. If the perimeter is given and base and base angles, base and base angles, 2 base angles are given, that one type of construction is as a deleted topic. So no need to study. So in this exercise 11.2, you need to draw 4 triangles. 11.2, 1, 2, 3, 4 questions only want to do. In that, up to 3rd question over. This is the 3rd question, but it is, in the question it is given as PQR, but I just take here as a ABC only. That is only difference here. You can draw the same thing, PQR itself, okay, in your notebook. Then, 4 questions only want to do, and 5th question is a deleted topic. So no need to do the 5th question of that exercise 11.2. So that is the end of this chapter constructions. So we have just studied how to draw different type of angles. First, angle bisector, then perpendicular bisector. After that, some constructions using the compass to do some constructions of special angles. After that, construction of triangles. In that, 2 types. And the second type, 2 cases also. These are the things I have studied in this chapter. So, thank you, children.